keep going, keep going. Oh, there.
Oh!
Oh, that's too full. It's okay.
And that's how you make a circle. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu and today we will be learning how to make latte art from the two amazing barista. This is, and that is Mandy. And let's go learn how to make latte art. Alright.
Alright, so step one was just ground the coffee first. Alright, so now step two, we just do the espresso. Ready? Alright, so now step three, we just leave the milk for the last time.
Do the coffee. Check, we already done that. Step two, because we're in the coffee latte art zone. We finished this now. Step three, steam the milk. I don't know what to do. I don't know, you never taught me this.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can do step four, latte art. Thank you, Mandy, for the thing, for the steam milk. Now go. You gotta swirl it a bit, look professional. Alright, do like this, can you see it?
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Oh, there.
Oh!
Oh, that's too full. It's okay.
And that's how you make a circle. Alright, hey guys, so this is how you make latte art with Mandy and Wendy.
And then subscribe and like the video.
Listen to them, like and subscribe and share the video. And if you guys liked it, be sure to comment and follow their Instagram for more latte art. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye. See ya.
Bye!